Is it necessary to clean boat lifts underwater? This maintenance is crucial for several reasons. Prevention of corrosion. The buildup of marine organisms and debris can accelerate the corrosion of the lift's metal components, reducing its lifespan. Efficient operation. A clean lift operates more smoothly and efficiently, avoiding mechanical issues that could affect its ability to raise and lower the boat. Safety. The accumulation of dirt and marine organisms can compromise the stability and load-bearing capacity of the lift, posing a safety risk. Compliance with environmental regulations. Keeping the lift clean helps prevent the spread of invasive species and ensures compliance with environmental regulations. Long-term savings. Regular maintenance reduces the need for costly repairs and extends the lifespan of the equipment. Maintaining your lifts in good condition ensures that the equipment operates optimally and safely, protecting both your boat and the marina infrastructure. Visit us at miamifin.com or call 1-786-681-6300 for more information and to get a free estimate. Thank you for considering Miami Fin for the care of your boat. Remember, a clean lift is an investment in your boat's efficiency, safety, and value.